company was established in 1998, and of course, they have passed international standards such as BSCI, CE, FCC, ASTM 4963, ROHS, I messed up all the time, and all these other certifications and standards. They export to 30 countries around the world, like EU, Japan, Australia, North America, and they are experts in quality toys and bricks. They have hundreds of designs every year that they release actually, and their factory covers an area of about 15,000 square meters. They have 8 workshops, and we're gonna be checking some of them as we go along with the tour. So they have their own brands such as WE, Double Hobby, Kada, and they have 20 product lines such as like robots, off-road vehicles, engineering vehicles, city rescue, simulation guns, science and educational puzzles, and all similar toys. All right, so I have here a couple of some of their STEAM product line, which everybody knows that it promotes, it's an educational toy, not just your regular toy. I have here on my side, it is it's from their own brand, Kada. It is a 50-in-1, so you can make 50 creations. It comes with these different like dynamos or different mechanisms, small machines that actually can make these creations move. It's actually a coding bot, so it's one of their STEAM toy collection or product line. This is a STEAM product, right? And STEAM stands for, just for our viewers, if you don't know it, it means science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So it's not just your toy, it's actually, it promotes learning as well. All right, so we are here in one of their workshops. Like what I mentioned earlier, we're gonna be touring around different parts of their workshops. They have 8 professional and environmental workshops. They recently invested in full automation such as sealing machines, robotic arms, spray painting line, and all these things. That only says one thing when there's full automation. It's efficiency and of course high yield. Now they have behind me are actually the injection machines. So they have 38 of these, and we're gonna be looking more into them as we go on with the tour. So they have hundreds and hundreds of employees here, right? But you'll notice that they wear blue and orange caps. So I'm gonna come closer here. All right, so you will notice that she actually is wearing an orange cap, and the lady in front of her is wearing a blue cap. The reason for that is everybody who's wearing the blue cap are actually the regular employees who actually go through the process in the production line. But our friend over here to the right, she's wearing an orange cap. That means she's the quality inspector. Now they have 10 workers for different tests on each of these production line. Now there are actually 20 employees that perform the quality check. If you're watching the B-roll right now, they're actually performing some of these drop tests, torsion meter, tension meter test, sharp point and sharp edge testers, small parts measuring cup, plastic bag thickness, caliper, and all these different physical tests. Behind me are the designers, the research and development team, and they are just one of few employees that work on this department. Actually, they have also other factories all around China, and they have around a total of 200 designers.